1 second pause. Welcome to Slav Garage. In today's video, we're going to be installing a intake on the 340 as the first official performance mod. I have Paul behind the camera. If you want to show yourself.
No.
He doesn't want to. He's ugly. Anyway, we're going to start off right away because it's late at night. So first thing we're going to do is not let the engine cool down because I just raced it. So we're going to undo this clip right here. Get a screwdriver.
We don't have a screwdriver.
Bro, you're so dumb.
Bro, am I blind?
Yes.
I got it.
Oh, I found it. It's stuck right here. Ah, that's hot. Right there. That's what it said. Hold up. Retrieved. We retrieved it. Right, and now I need the flathead back.
Bro, are you kidding?
Because now, what we're doing, we're going to set this off to the side right here. And we just got to unscrew this.
Don't lose the bolt.
This part doesn't fall off.
Mm-hmm.
I think. Alright, so I lied. I don't know how to do this.
Hey guys! Are you kidding me, bro?
So we're gonna wiggle this off, right?
Yep.
We got this part.
Supposed to
Now, how do you disconnect this? This is the charge pipe. Okay, so this is the
It's a basic intake, yeah.
CTS turbo. This is where the sensor is gonna go. So this is the part that's gonna be right here, right? I mixed the two boxes together, so I don't know what part's for the charge pipe and what's for the intake anymore.
All right, let's get to it. Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Welcome back. New clip. We're gonna put this together. That's what he did in the video.
No. Look up how to disassemble it. That part's the easy part.
The disassembling?
Yeah, look up how to take
Bye
it.
guys.
What is this? You need a flashlight? See, this part comes off right here. Okay. So hot. I literally just did 130 on Meridian, so headers are red. I'm lying, but oh, there's the other clip right here.
Yeah.
We might need your phone for the YouTube video.
Hey guys! No, you stupid. This is gonna turn into a 3-hour install.
No, it's not. Dude, we're straight chilling, dude. Perfectly shaped.
Oh, you were just looking at my two.
Oopsies. Have your phone and look up a video.
Are you kidding me?
What's up, guys? Chris Fix here.
Okay,
That's not good.
So this is what I'm saying. There's this tube that goes to the vents in the front, and the way that guy pulls it, they won't work.
No, stop tugging. Okay, hold this. You stupid.
Right here. You see, hold it out. How did you get these out? Well, this one was easy, but like I'm saying, do you see this? Do you see this pipe?
Hold on, YouTube video. Hey guys! That's a 6mm socket. It just came off. He just like tugged it.
Bro, this stupid thing. This is what I'm talking about. This piece right here is the part we can't pull.
I feel like we would just yank it out. I don't want to.
No, literally that's what it is. It's just super tough. Like he pulled it. Okay, that's why it's hitting that thing right there. There we go.
There we go.
That's out. Let's see the work going in.
Oh, I see it.
It's this sensor that's in there. Let
You
me see if I
unplug
could.
it?
Let me see if I could turn it somehow.
What if I just hold it like this? Go. Are you kidding? Hey guys!
We're watching a master at work.
Oh my gosh, you asparagus.
Ooh, just push it like down.
I'm trying.
No, don't break the sensor though. I don't even know what that sensor is.
This is a sensor.
That's the one we unplugged.
Okay. Well, listen. If we didn't have.
Is this the pull that? Ah, that's hot.
Wait, what if we? Bro, we're so dumb. What is this?
I know we are, bro. We can't get this.
1/4. No.
What is it? This in my house.
Bro, we're recording.
Bro, we can't get this one thing out. The first time working with tools for both of us.
Yes. Ah, that's hot.
The bolt you're trying to
Bro,
get out.
it's so far down. We already lost the socket.
It's the one I'm holding.
Which one are you trying to get out?
Yeah, right here.
Oh,
This one, right here. Yeah.
Cam?
Yeah. We got, like, it's the stupidest placement.
Here, point it, stupid.
Bruh.
Hey guys.
Hi, Daniel.
What's up?
Yeah, we're
This is too small.
Oh, we're dumb.
No, we're not. So
And you're
I was using the
also
whole
tightening.
That's what I said, but okay.
thing.
Oh,
Work?
yes. But there's no room to crank it.
You just gotta do a little bit, little by little. Ah, you fell off.
Is it too
Is it
big?
too big?
It's
Is
too
it?
big.
That's a different. That's the.
Did you watch a YouTube video on how to install it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
The longest intake
Oh,
install?
I told you this was gonna take 3 hours.
Why do you think they say 15-minute install turns into?
I told him
this
this.
is an intake.
I told him we gotta be done by 12.
Why?
I don't know. Is it working?
I think so.
You got a point. It's caught. Damn, you got it.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go,
Now
boys.
this comes out. Or
Yeah, now you just wiggle it off
this one, I think has to go untight a little more.
because it's locked. There we go. Sick. Oh wait, do you have a microfiber so I could put in there so nothing falls in?
Welcome to the cabinet of Slav Garage.
Very nice.
Very good, very nice. All right, let's get started.
Now let's watch the next part of the video.
Hey guys.
No, this piece, yeah, it clips onto that.
Okay, so that doesn't come out.
No, yeah, that part stays in.
So this goes on top of the pipe you're putting on. So it's going on the one that's going.
Yeah, but that wouldn't make sense because you're not gonna clip a metal pipe.
What do you mean?
Is that what one of the boots are for?
Oh.
Here, we have a boot right here.
Did you watch the video?
Well, I was telling Paul, let's just watch the next part of the video.
Hey guys.
So these clips are gonna go on this very hot, spicy piece of metal.
Where'd the ball go? Did it fall under?
It won't go on. Where's the? I need something to push.
Flathead?
I don't want to drop this stuff.
Збирати машину і не зложити.
Ми ж робимо. Ми
ж
зібралися, ми ж робимо.
А ви всі вже витягли ставиш?
Так.
А, ти певно ставиш, щоб машина гуркала сильніше.
Yep.
Let's see.
Опусти гарбіч.
Ніки.
Ну, я не буду тебе. Прошу, не знаю, лежати, пропускати.
We are 2 hours in officially, and we've made zero progress. This progress. Out with the old, in with the new. Daniel putting in the work, so we can get a clear shot.
Loosening it.
No. Isn't that good?
All right, welcome back. We lost another bolt.
Gonna
How's your
check.
engine still hot?
Bro, what do you mean? It takes forever to cool down.
Okay.
Don't open the garage.
Okay,
Here.
take a little look.
It has to go like right here. Do we need another clamp for it?
Yes.
How do you feel about this?
I feel great. It's gonna sound really good.
Nice.
Where's
do you
the
feel
where's
about
the tweezers?
this?
It's not all the way in.
You ignored me.
What?
How do you feel about this?
Honestly, this is such a waste of time. I think the car stock is just optimal. How do you feel about this?
I don't know, not my car.
Good feeling.
We're doing great, guys. Bro, have you been?
No.
He's been going back and forth
No, I
because he
haven't.
keeps switching it.
I'm such a scorpion. Stop.
Well, it's going, but it's being stupid. Loose. Cause it's like barely in your room too.
Well, welcome to Cars, Daniel. This is like Tetris. I knew it. I knew it was gonna happen. Well, we lost another bolt. We definitely need to take the bottom off now.